Being a student today feels impossible. You have school, exams, the gym, hobbies, and somehow you're supposed to sleep and have a life without being a zombie. Most students I know aren't lazy, we're just overloaded. We try to do it all, but by 9 p.m., we're lying in bed scrolling TikTok wondering, where did my day go? It's not your fault. It's how the system is set up. We try to study 12 hours, hit the gym, practice skills, hang out with friends, and by the end of the day, we're exhausted. But the top 1% of students play a different game. Stick around. I'm about to show a method that makes all of this actually manageable. And because I know you're already exhausted, I'm skipping the fluff. If you stay until the end, I'm sharing the buffer rule that prevents 99% of student burnouts. Let's get to work. Phase 1. The math of freedom. There are 168 hours in a week. Let's be extreme. Sleep 8 hours a day, 56 hours. School classes, 30 hours. Hard study, 20 hours. Hygiene, eating, 14 hours. That leaves you with 48 hours. 2 full days of nothing. So why are you stressed? Because you're leaking energy like a cracked pipe. You aren't busy, you're distracted. Next, I'll show you the 5 pillars the top 1% actually use to structure their week. It's simple, but most students ignore it. To fix this, the 1% don't plan their day, they plan their week around 5 pillars: studies, health, skills, hobbies, and social life. Now, I'm not going to waste your time showing you how to draw a calendar here. I already built that system for you in this video. Watch that after this video if you want the exact template. Stick with me, because next I'm showing the exact daily execution of these pillars. It's way simpler than you think. Phase 2. The 1% execution. Here's how you actually execute without burning out. The athlete. You don't find time for the gym. You anchor it. It's a meeting with yourself. 1 hour, 4 times a week. That's only 2.3% of your week. No excuses. The academic. Use the 2-hour deep work rule. 2 hours of zero phone, high-intensity focus is worth more than 8 hours of library lounging. The human. If you don't schedule nothing time, your brain will steal it from you via burnout. Saturday night is for friends. Sunday morning is for you. Schedule the fun first, and the work becomes easier because you have a reward waiting. Phase 3. The energy leak. But here's the hard truth. You can have the 4.0, the body, and the life, but you cannot have the mindless scroll. Every minute you spend watching someone else live their life is a minute you steal from your own sleep. You don't need more time, you need more intent. Most students fail because of brain rot and distractions, but I've already mapped out the fix for you. Watch the brain reset after this to get your focus back. The buffer rule. I promised you the secret to never burning out. The 15% buffer. Never schedule more than 85% of your day. Life happens. You'll fall sick, a project will take longer, or a friend will need to talk. The 1% leaves space for chaos. That's how top 1% stay calm while everyone else is panicking. And this isn't theory. If you implement this, your week suddenly feels manageable instead of overwhelming. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below. Which of the 5 pillars do you struggle with the most? Now your next steps are simple. Go watch the time planner video if you want to set up your week. Want to actually keep this focus? The brain reset shows you exactly how to stop scrolling and stay productive. I'll see you there.